Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will see how you can completely disable AI features on Windows 11 to fix lagging issues and improve slow system performance. Now, AI features on modern devices can really impact performance because they require high system resources to run continuously in the background. If you are not using Copilot on the taskbar, the system tray, the Start menu, Microsoft Edge, Paint, or any other AI-powered features in Windows 11, then disabling them can noticeably improve your PC or laptop performance. First of all, open any browser of your choice. In the search bar, type Remove Windows 11 AI and press Enter. From the search results, you will see a GitHub website named Remove Windows AI. Click on that website. I will also leave the direct link in the video description for your convenience. Once the website opens, you can scroll through and read all the details. Here, it clearly explains what this tool does, such as disabling Copilot, Recall, Copilot in Edge, AI Image Creator in Paint, AI Fabric Service, AI Actions, and other AI-related components in Windows 11. Now, to download and run this tool, scroll down a bit. Look for the section where it says Launch with UI. Here, you will see a command. Simply copy this command. After copying the command, click on the Windows search bar and type PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, inside PowerShell, right-click to paste the command you copied earlier, and then press Enter. After a few seconds, you will see a dashboard window open. This is the Remove Windows AI interface. It is very clean, simple, and easy to use. Here, you will see multiple AI-related options listed, and on the right-hand side of each option, you will notice a question mark icon. If you click on the question mark, it explains exactly what that specific option does, such as disabling registry keys, Copilot policies, removing AI files, disabling recall tasks, and more. For example, if you click on the question mark next to disable registry keys, it will tell you that this option disables Copilot and recall through registry modifications. This ensures that even after future Windows updates, these AI features do not automatically turn back on. You can go through each option and read the description to understand what it does. All the explanations are clearly mentioned, so you know exactly what changes are being applied to your system. Now, at the bottom of the window, you will find two very important options: Backup Mode and Revert Mode. Before applying any changes, it is highly recommended to enable Backup Mode. When Backup Mode is enabled, the tool will create a backup of the original settings. This means that if in the future you want to re-enable AI features, you can simply use the Revert Mode to restore everything back to normal. So first, enable Backup Mode. After that, keep all the AI-related options selected. If you want to exclude any specific feature, you can uncheck it, but for complete AI removal, keep all options checked. Once everything is selected, simply click on Apply. The tool will now start disabling all the selected AI features. This process may take a few moments. Once completed, the AI components will be removed or disabled from your Windows 11 system. After this, it is recommended to restart your computer so that all changes take effect properly. Once your system restarts, you should notice smoother performance, reduced background activity, and overall better responsiveness. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.